Hello friends, in this interesting video, I'm going to explain to you how to be financially independent by the time, say, you are 30 years old. How to be financially independent. Now, naturally, if you have to be financially independent, you need some money to be generated by the time you are 30 years. Now, that means I'm saying after 30 years, you don't need to work at all. No work, just enjoy or do whatever you like, whatever you're passionate about. So, in this project, I'm going to use the concept of present value, future value, percentages, and explain to you all these things. So our aim is, how much money should I have now so that after 30 years I don't need to retire. So imagine you are now, say, 22 years old, you're coming out of college. So from 22 to 30, how much you need to generate cash? So let us assume that on Jan of 1st, 2023, you are 30 years old and you say, that's it, now I don't want to work, I just want to keep on, do something constructive, do something creative. At least I don't need to work for a living. I'm not saying you should retire, but you need not work for a living. So assume that your monthly expenses are 1 lakh every month. So you need to take care, adjust inflation, and see to it that you keep on getting this 1 lakh throughout your life. Not 1 lakh, but more than 1 lakh if you take inflation. Now generally, the inflation is 6%. So your 1 lakh may not be worth 1 lakh after 12 years. So today you are spending 1 lakh. So we are planning for the next 12 years. So what is your money worth? Say, let us calculate. So you take an Excel worksheet, I have just shown it to you, and on the Excel worksheet, you just go to one cell and put future value, FV, and then put 6%. That means inflation is 6%. I'm trying to find out after 12 years, how much money you will actually be requiring. How much, it won't be 1 lakh, it has to be more than 1 lakh by adjusting inflation. Put 12 years, put 0 here, and then put 1 lakh here. Or you can put negative 1 lakh because you are 100,000 and put enter, and you will get the value 201,219.65. So that means we need to save, let me say, if you want to retire now, after 12 lakhs, your 1 lakh actually becomes 2 lakhs. You require 2 lakhs to adjust inflation. So I'm going to say that on an average, your net outflow, your net savings should be 1 plus 2 by 2. Say around 1.5 lakhs is what you need starting from January 2023. So we have to budget for 1.5 lakhs. However, we'll be spending only 1 lakh. But later, after 1 lakh, towards the end, it may be probably you may be spending more, 1.5 crore, 1.5 lakhs or 1.7 lakhs. So on an average, I'm taking it as 1.5 lakhs. So let's agree that we need 1.5 lakhs now. Now to get this 1.5 lakhs, how much money we require? Let us see. Assume the bank is giving us 8%, 2% higher than the inflation. So I need 1.5 lakhs every month corrected to inflation for the next 12 years. For the next 12 years, 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, I keep getting. So for this, how much should I put in the bank? So I'm going to make two investments. One, I'm going to put it in the bank for safe investments, and the other one, I'm going to put it in Nifty growth. So I'm going to divide this into two parts. So how much should I put in the bank? Let's calculate that. To put in the bank to get 1.5, let us see what is the present value. So put a cell, put present value equal to present value, assume it is 8% per month, so divide by 12, 8% by 12. We need for the next 12 into 12 months, we need 1.5 lakhs, 150,000, and future at the end, that value should be 0. So put present value, 8% by 12 you take, but we want for the next 144 months, we need 1.5 lakhs. So we are seeing how much I should save for that. Now this is going to be the present value. So present value of 1.5 lakhs, every month I should get 1.5 lakhs for the next 144 months. You put enter, you will get 1.38 crores. So that means you're putting 1.38 crores in the bank. Assume that you sold some property when you are 30 years old, or you somehow accumulated 3 crores. So this is the capital we need minimum to retire comfortably when you are 30 years. So 30 years, I know that there is a chance you may not have 3 crores when you are 30 years old. So what you're going to do is assume that you sell a property or you inherit something and you have 3 crores with you. So out of the 3 crores, 1.38 has gone. So you have 3 minus 1.38. How much you will have? 1.62 crores you have. Now this 1.62 crores, you put it in Nifty, and Nifty is going to give you, say, 15% compounded growth. So when you put, let's see what is the future value. That means after 12 years, that is today you are 30 years, after 12 years you will be 42 years, on your 42-year birthday, 42nd year birthday, how much money you will get? Your future, put future value, 15% compounded, 12 years, 0 and minus 1.62, and then put enter, and you will get 8.67 crores. So that means you will have on your 42nd birthday, you will have 8.67 crores. Now the same logic you are going to apply. So what you're going to do for the next part, now for the first 12 years, you needed 1.5 lakhs per month. But now 12 years are gone, you are now 42. So when you are 42, inflation at 6% means your 1.5 lakhs actually becomes 3 lakhs, doubles. So whatever, without changing your lifestyle, even if you have to maintain your lifestyle, you will require 3 lakhs. But suppose you change your lifestyle, because after all, you want higher standard of living, you want better cars, better electronic stuff, new mobiles, higher standard of living. So I am going to put another 50% of this. So you will require, say, 4.5 lakhs per month. Now if you recollect, for 1.5 lakhs, we required how much? 1.38 crores in the bank at 8%. So for 4.5, we will require, multiply this with 3. So that's the money you will require. say roughly around 4.2 crores or 4.17 crores, 4.15 crores say. So I'm just taking, so roughly around 4.15 or 4.14 crores. So you can even take it like this. The present value would be 8% by 12. You need 8%, 12 into 12 for the next 144 months, and you require 450,000. Next, at the end of 450,000, value will be 0. So you will require 4.5 crores, 4.15 crores for this. So remember, you had with you 8.67 crores. So 8.67 crores, you remove 4.15 crores, and the balance again you're going to put it in Nifty. So you will now have 4.52 crores, which goes into Nifty growth, because we are splitting into two parts. One is the basic, the other is splitting, the growth fund. So we have future value. So imagine at 15% it grows. For the next 12 years, 0 minus 4.52 crores. So your 4.52 crores keeps on growing for the next 12 years, and it now becomes 24.18 crores. Now this is exactly what I want to explain to you on the Excel, how it works out. So out of the 24.18 crores, so now you have 42 plus 12, you are on your 54th birthday. So on your 54th birthday, you have now 24.18 crores. Again, now you will require correcting inflation. So let us go to the next page. So we were saying that you now have 24.18 crores. You're 54 years old. 24.18 crores you have, but now your standard of living, earlier it was, if you recollect, it was 4.5 lakhs per month. Now after 12 years, it is now going to be 4.5 into 2, 9 lakhs plus 50% lifestyle inflation. So it's going to be 13.5 lakhs. So you require 13.5 lakhs cash. So for getting 13.5 lakhs every month, how much you require? Present value of 13.5 lakhs for the next 144 months. That is till you are 66 years old. So you put 8% by 12, 12 into 12, 13.5 lakhs. And finally at the end it will become zero value. So this you will get 12.47 crores. So out of the 24.18, 12.47 crores has gone. Balance 24.18 minus 12.47, you now have 11.71 crores. Now the 11.17 crores, again you put it in Nifty. So the future value at 15% compounded, this is going to give you 62.65 crores. So 62.65 crores you have now, and you are now 54 plus 12, 66, 66 plus 12, 78th birthday. You are on your 78th, age is 78, and you now have 62 crores with you. So you can plan similarly for the next 12 years, or if you feel that the probability after 12 years you want to enjoy your money more, then you can increase your expenses per month, because maybe age and all that, you will have to, the next 12 years there will be more expenses. So you can increase your this, and your saving you can reduce, so that you can plan like that for 78 to 90. So the same thing I'm going to show you in an Excel worksheet. Thank you. Alright guys, grab your Excel worksheet and imagine you are 30 years of age. So you want to plan for the next 12 years. So from 30 to 42, that's the plan. On January 2023, January 1st, 2023, you are 30 years of age. So let's see, you have an Excel worksheet and I'm going to show you the concept of future value, present value, how to find or make a perfect plan. What I explained to you in the video is that assume, okay, that your monthly expenses are 1 lakh now. So you are spending 1 lakh every month and you want to keep on doing this, adjusting inflation. So that's your first task. So that is, today if it is 1 lakh, after 12 years, how much would that 1 lakh be? It would definitely be more. So what you're going to do is you're going to adjust that inflation, and instead of 1 lakh now, you're going to check how much you should actually save, so that even after 12 years, you are still able to manage exactly the same lifestyle. Now the inflation, if you see, is 6%. On an average, we are going to take 6% inflation. Sometimes it is 7%, but 6% is reasonably good. You can take, sometimes it is 4%, sometimes it is 8%. Very, very rarely it is 8%. So I will show you the inflation charts. So on an average, you can take that the inflation is 6. So now let's see at 6% inflation, what is your value going to be? That means today you're spending 1 lakh. So what is the future value? So the future value at 6%. So put FV for future value 6%. And then you can put 12 years we are talking about. So 12 years. After that, you can say the net value of that is going to be 0. So 6%, and then you need 1 lakh every month. 1 lakh every month for the next 12 years. That means this is going to be 2.01 lakh. So that means towards the end, your 1 lakh has actually become 2 lakhs. So you'll be spending, say today you're 30 years old. So by the time you're 40 years old, that is another 8 years, 10 years have passed, you would be requiring close to 2 lakhs. So close to 2 lakhs means, that means on an average, 1 plus 2 divided by 2, that means you are going to spend 1.5 lakhs is what you have to save for. So assume that today you want 1.5 lakhs per month. You are going to make two types of investments. One is to fix the amount, that is 1.5 lakhs you have to keep on getting for the next 144 months. You need to keep on getting 1.5 lakhs. Not only that, you need to create a growth fund such that that grows, and at the end of 12 years, you get a certain huge capital which you are again going to reinvest for the next 12 years. So once again, to tell you, we are going to think about how to get 1.5 lakhs. So for getting 1.5 lakhs per month, how much should you put in the bank? That means you need 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, 1.5 lakhs for the next 144, that is 12 years, 12 into 12. The next 144 months, you need 1.5 lakhs. So today, how much should you put in the bank? Now the bank rate is going to give you 8%. Usually the bank rate is 2% more than the inflation. So assume that the inflation we took as 6%. So I'm going to take the bank interest rate as 8%. So now let us see what is the present value of this. So take a cell and put equal to and put PV. So imagine the bank interest rate is 8%. So we need to see how much I have to put in the bank. So one part of my income I am going to put in the bank such that I keep on getting 1.5 lakhs every month. So put equal to and put present value and put bracket, and how much bank interest? 8%. So put 8%, put the percentage sign, divided by 100. Divided by 12, sorry, divided by 12, because 8% per year, month, per year. So per month it will be 8% by 12. Then 12 into 12, we need it for 144 months, and we need 1.5 lakhs. We need, so future value at the end of the term you are going to get 0, nothing, no growth in that. So that means this is going to become 1.38 crores. So that means we are going to put 1.38 crores in the bank for the next 12 years at 8%. It is continuously going to give you your amount of 1.5 lakhs. So please note that you may not require 1.5 lakhs the first few years, but you will require slightly more after 6 years. So it is an averaged value which I have taken. So imagine that you have 3 crores with you on your 30th birthday. Now this is the starting balance I am going to take. 3 crores you may not have, so you can possibly sell a real estate or something and generate 3 crores. Out of these 3 crores, you are going to put 1.38 crores in the bank, and that's going to give you continuously 1.5 lakhs per month for the next 144 months or for the next 12 years. So how much have we finished? We have, out of 3 crores, 1.38 crores has gone. So the balance, we are going to put 1.62 crores, we are going to put in Nifty index, because we don't have time to manipulate it on shares and all that. So we will just connect it with the index. The Nifty index is growing at a rate of 15% compounded. So 3 crores minus 1.38 crores, 1.62 crores is what I am going to deposit in the Nifty index. So once you put that 15% compounded for the next 12 years, let us see what is the future value of that. Let's understand once again the future value of 1.62 crores now. So again go to the next cell and put future value. So we are seeing that what is today, I have 1.62 crores, correct? So how much will it be worth after 12 years? So if FV, put equal to FV and put bracket. So FV will come on default, and rate we take 15% growth Nifty, and the present value, so we need it for 12 years. Okay, and per month nothing, no additional investment we are going to put, so put 0 there. Per month nothing additional, we are only going to put 1.62 crores now and completely forget about it for the next 12 years, and that's going to give you 8.67 crores. So that means today you are 30 years old, after 12 years you are going to get 8.67 crores, because your half your part has taken care of your monthly expenditure. The balance has grown to 8.67 crores. Now let us see, after 12 years, your age now is 42 years old. 30 plus 12, 42 years old. You are 42 years old, and you need to now, your lifestyle has increased. So let us see how much you will be spending after 12 years. Let me also tell you that every 12 years, your inflation, actually if you take 6%, it doubles. 6%, so you were spending 1.5 lakhs per annum. So now after 12 years, your expense is going to be 3 lakhs. 1.5 multiplied with 2. But note that you already have 8.67 crores with you on your 42nd birthday. So you have on your 42nd birthday 8.67. Let us see how to split this. Again, we are going to split it, some part in the bank, some part in Nifty. So some part in the bank which I am going to put, For that, let us back calculate and see how much of this 8.67 I require. So let us talk about our expenses. How much expense we require? For the first 12 years, average we took 1.5. But for the next 12 years, correcting inflation, we are going to take 1.5 multiplied with 2. Because every 6 years, every 12 years, it doubles, the value doubles. So that means we require minimum we require 3 lakhs per month. But now I believe that our lifestyle would have also changed. We need better things. So I am going to put another 50% extra, like something like a bonus for us to spend. So 3 lakhs plus 50% will come to 1.5, so 4.5 lakhs. Now we need 4.5 lakhs. So this is again I am taking normal 6% inflation. So 6% inflation for the 12 years if you take, it doubles, the average thing doubles. This is the thumb rule I am giving you, plus lifestyle, because we need better phones, better mobile phones, better television or whatever is at that time, we require those things. So that's why I am putting another additional 50% more. That is called lifestyle inflation. Now if I take the lifestyle inflation, that's going to give me, so total 1.5 into 2 plus another 50%, so 4.5 lakhs. Now we need 4.5 lakhs per month to maintain our slightly increased lifestyle. Now how do we generate this 4.5? Naturally, this is from the bank interest, which is going to give 8%. Now please note that I have taken 6% inflation, so 8%. Now assume that the inflation is higher, the bank interest rates will also be higher. So it is usually pegged to this. So assume that by chance inflation becomes 8%, then the banks will give you 10%. So you don't need to worry about that extra part. So it is just a thumb rule that the bank interest is always 2% higher than the inflation. So if the inflation rates falls to 4%, assume the bank interest rates will also fall, taking care of this calculation. So absolutely nothing to worry. So now we need say 1.38 crores. Earlier we had said 1.38 crores is what we require. So 1.38 multiplied with 3, because now from 1.5 our expenditure has now become 4.5. So roughly we require around 4.14 crores into the bank. So if I have 4.14 crores, I am out of that 8.67, I am going to take 4.14 crores and straight away put it in the bank at 8%, so that will take care of the next 12 years. And the next 12 years, how much money I will keep getting? I will keep getting 4.5 lakhs each and every month. Every month 4.5, 4.5, 4.5 for the next 144 months. That means till I am 54, I am going to get 4.5 lakhs. And how do I get that? From this 4.14 crores. Where did I generate it? This I generated from the Nifty growth. The Nifty which had grown to 8.67. From that I am going to take 4.14 crores and put it in the bank, so that I am totally covered for the next 12 years of my life. So 8.67 minus 4.14, and the balance, like the previous case, I am going to just put it in Nifty, so that Nifty grows at 15% compounded, and that capital again I am going to follow exactly the same strategy. If you observe, the strategy is we are dividing into two parts. One part is for the bank interest, which is going to give us regular income, and the other is 15% Nifty, which is called as the growth fund. So 4.5 lakhs is gone. Now the balance, let's see what happens. Let's put it. So 8.67 minus 4.5. So I have another 4 point something like 17. So now let's check. So this 4.53 crores balance is going to grow for us for the next 12 years. So what is the future value of the 4.53 crores which we have now? At 15% it grows. At 15% it grows. So I have 12 at 12. So I have 0. So that means the next 12 years that is going to grow. But the present value is 4.53 crores, or let's take 4.53 crores, and that means after 12 years it's going to become 24.24 crores. 24.24 crores. So now on our 54th birthday, correct? So we took 30 plus 12, 42, 42 plus 12, 54th birthday, we will have 24.24 crores. It has now become 24.24 crores. Again, I am going to divide this into two parts. One part I am going to put it in the bank, another part I am going to put it in Nifty. So this is a simple example I have given you. So on the 54th birthday, I have spent happily 4.5 lakhs per month, correct? 4.5 lakhs per month I have spent, and I still have 24 lakhs with me on my 54th birthday. So let's plan for the next 12 years now. So for the next 12 years, what's going to happen? Let's see, how much will be our expenses? Can you check out how much do you think will be our expenses using the same pattern? Let's recollect that we were actually spending 4.5 lakhs per month. Now adjust inflation. So 4.5 lakhs, adjust inflation and see how much is our 4.5 lakhs. So we are planning for 54 till 66th birthday, correct? And we need to see how much money we require per month. Now that's going to be a huge amount, as you are about to see. Now how much money do you require? So earlier, remember, we were spending 4.5 lakhs the previous 12 months. So let's use the same calculation, 4.5 multiplied with 2 after inflation. So that is 9 lakhs, plus we require 50% of that as lifestyle inflation. So lifestyle inflation, imagine you will require 13.5 lakhs per month, 13.5 lakhs per month adjusted for inflation, because half of 9 lakhs is 4.5, so 13.5 lakhs per month. Now to get 13.5 lakhs per month, how much money should you now have? Let's calculate the present value. So imagine you need you are now from 66 to 78. Let's calculate from 66 to 78. You need to keep on getting 13.5 lakhs per month. 13.5, 13.5, 13.5 for the next 144 months. How many months? Next 144 months. So how much capital should you put in the bank at the same 8%? What is the present value of that? So put the cell equal to, put PV, put bracket. So the bracket will come by default, and the rate you take same 8%, and you are going to divide this with 12, because per month you require, and how many months you require? 12 into 12, 144 months you require. So put 12 multiplied with 12, and the amount you put, which is 13.5 lakhs. And after future, at the end, it becomes 0. The value becomes 0. So future value is 0. So you put 13.5 135 000, okay, and future value you put 0 and put enter. So to get this 13.5 lakhs for the next 12 years, the next 144 months, how much money do you require? Now note that you already have 24 crores with you. So out of the 24 crores, how much you are going to put in the bank is the question. Okay, you require 12.4 crores. So 12.4 crores. So out of 24.24 crores, 12.4 crores actually goes into this bank, which is going to give you continuously 13.5 lakhs per month for the next 144 months. until you are 78 years of age. So until 78 years of age, you are continuously going to get 13.5 lakhs each and every month. You just have to put your ATM card, withdraw the money and just enjoy the money. But note that you have 24.24 minus 12.4. That means you have approximately another 12 crores, 11 crores or so you have for investing again on Nifty Growth Fund. I am just choosing Nifty Growth Fund because you don't need to think, there are no risks involved. The Nifty Growth Fund, on an average, I am not advertising for Nifty, I am just simply saying Nifty. Please note that, guys. It is not that I am going to get a commission from Nifty or anything. It is any growth fund which you see, any exchange related fund, any ETF or whatever you can take. If you are comfortable with Nifty, it's fine, or BSC, which gives probably higher. I will show you some slides. Now we are going to use the same trick. What we are going to do is 12.4 crores goes into the bank, and the balance you are going to put it in Nifty for the next 12 years. Now if you feel that now you are 78 years old, for the next 12 years you feel that the probability later you may not require that money, so you can increase your lifestyle so that you blow up all your money by the time you are 90 years old, or at least I would say 80% of your money. So you can take probably the balance, you can put it in case, because the probability after 90 is less for enjoying. So the last few years you can put more of your capital and enjoy it. So if you put 11.84 crores again into Nifty at 15%, by the time you are 90, you are going to get a big fortune when you are 90 years old. You may not require that fortune, so that's why it probably may be a good idea to put more of it in the bank and spend it off. So we are now calculating from 66 to 78. You can check from 66 to 78. So put present value and a future value, put future value, and the rate is 15%. So we are calculating how much money you are going to get on your 78th birthday. 12 years, and now you are putting 0. So present value is how much we are putting, the balance 11.84 crores. So 11.84 crores and put enter. So this is, you are going to get 63 crores on your 78th birthday, guys. 63 crores on your 78th birthday, which again you are going to divide this into two parts for 50% or almost half of it. In fact, at this stage on your 78th birthday, you can put more of your money on your lifestyle expenses and less for future, because after 12 years you are going to be 90 years old. So 90 years old, now it's again a matter of how you look at it. Your medical expenses may go up, so you may require more money, or your needs may be very less and you may require less money because you are not going to party that much. Probably, I am just guessing, you may not have foreign trips or anything, so you may not require that money. So your expenses may go up or go down. This is subject. So based on that you can take a call. If you feel yes, your health is not good and you may spend more on health, then you can put more money on the growth fund, on the living fund, and less on the growth fund. You can adjust it accordingly, and that's how you plan the next few years. I hope you understood the concept of future value, present value, percentages and all that. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked it.